Absolute tragedy. And Joe, let's talk about the drama at the CDC. What can you tell us about the staffing showdown?
Yeah, this is, we may be entering watershed moment territory when it comes to public health and the Centers for Disease Control and Prevention. The director is out, according to the White House, after being on the job just for a few weeks. There's been a little bit of a dust-up confusion on social media between her legal counsel and the White House if she's actually been fired or not, because she's confirmed by the Senate. She hasn't spoken to the president yet. But if you go to HHS's website, the Health and Human Services Department, led by Secretary Robert F. Kennedy Jr., they are indicating that she is no longer the director of the CDC. In a blistering statement, I'm just going to read it here from her legal team. Quote, when CDC Director Susan Menarez refused to rubber stamp unscientific, reckless directives and fire dedicated health experts, she chose protecting the public over serving a political agenda. And she isn't alone. By the way, Dimitri Daskalakis, he's the director of the National Center for Immunization and Respiratory Diseases. He has resigned as well. Quote, I am unable to serve in an environment that treats CDC as a tool to generate policies and materials that do not reflect scientific reality. A blistering statement there. So there's a lot of questions about public health institutions this morning. If you work in public health, whether it's in Colorado or in Washington, this is the story you're talking about. Secretary Robert F. Kennedy Jr. has promised to shake up public health. He's certainly doing that, and now the question is, where exactly does this go? We don't have a full idea as to what led to the firing, the ousting. We have an idea through these statements. Secretary Kennedy has promised even more reforms to be announced in the near future, such as revealing the root causes of autism. Yesterday, new COVID vaccine guidelines were revealed for the fall and winter months. Just a dramatic period right now for public health.
Well, Joe St. George live in Washington, D.C., thank you so much for that input.